5 to 6 chopped green onion and 2 garlic cloves. Saute until it turns brown. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped cabbage, green beans, capsicum and carrot. Saute it well and add quarter teaspoon of Ajinomoto and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also add 2 tablespoons of pickled cabbage. This is optional but it adds a nice flavor. And now add 1 teaspoon of white pepper and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Now let's add the rice. Here I have 1 cup of cooked basmati rice. Make sure to cook the rice grainy and non-mushy. That's the important part. And now mix the rice well. Once it has incorporated with the spices and vegetables, turn off the heat and add the green part of the green onions and enjoy.